Hey guys, VELCOIN here, back with another video on crypto. Today we'll be quickly running through a few key prices that Bitcoin and Ethereum may hit, and if you still have time to invest. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So first things first, Bitcoin and Ethereum of course took several hits in the past few days. However, now that they're making a nice recovery formation at this point, it would seem that we found a bottom at Bitcoin around 30,000 range, 30,000 to 32,000. The stability point at this point in particular seems to be here to stay. With the incoming stimulus check, I predict that it may potentially cause people to be more flexible with their funds, and in turn causing more money, and may directly affect the current price in general. In addition to this, it would seem that the dips that we're seeing tend to have these kind of spikes following the day. You guys can see here, it dips down to 31, people just hawk right after it. So I do think personally that Bitcoin is definitely going to be probably hitting around 50k very soon. Just judging by these giant dips, we're seeing that we've hit 41,000, guys. Don't forget, we saw the potential of Bitcoin, we saw what it has the capability to get to. It's just a matter of time, people are giving into that kind of FUD, but we just got to pass that up. Not only that, but we can really start to see a pattern here, and that's the cool thing about all of this, we can kind of read this. But I do think personally that Bitcoin does have a very high potential to gain massive amounts of profit here. We're going to be seeing dips in crypto market just in general. You're going to be seeing these kind of fall downs. This was a correction. It really was a correction, It was gonna happen, guys, and I think that now that it's happened, it's gonna start to spike back up again, and we're gonna be around the 3,400 mark, and that's when I would suggest buying, because right now it's not gonna be that low. But I don't just want to keep babbling about Bitcoin for the next hour and a half, so let's talk about Ethereum here for a second. So what I've noticed in particular with Ethereum is generally it tends to kind of follow the same pattern. I'll pull up a little graph there, but you guys can see that Ethereum has been going through quite a bit recently. It kind of fell in comparison with Bitcoin. However, with the release of Ethereum 2.0, I definitely would say that Ethereum is not going to be sticking around the 1,000 mark forever. I would probably say that it could even hit 2,000 by the end of the month, maybe next month. And, crypto is a daily thing. So, me personally, I predict that these could go much higher. And, now we're getting corporate companies buying, millions of dollars out. The more whales we have in the market, basically, the higher the price will be. So these investments are very profitable if you can pick the right time to buy. So I would say right now, actually, anywhere around this, 1060 mark, I would say is definitely beneficial. And just looking at this kind of same pattern that we're seeing, people go down to that lower mark, and right there you guys can kind of see it's that 106, and it goes right back up, so it rockets. And it seems to me like we keep seeing that kind of pattern right around here. You guys can see here as well, that's where it kind of dipped down as well. It dips right here, dips right here. So that's where we start seeing those dips, and then right after that it goes right back up again. So it's just a matter of time, guys, and we're going to see if we can push past that and get back up to a stability point, because I think that that's important. Just in general, if we're going to be able to hit this, 114 mark, that would be great. If we can stay there, that would be even better. And, we're barely getting there. However, with Bitcoin, you guys can see, again, it's been hitting that 35 mark, and it seems to me like we've met a little bit of resistance around 34 to 35. So I think right around this range to 33 would be a good buy. I also think that around anywhere on 32 even would be a good buy. And if you can snag it around here, that would be even better. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, what do you guys think about it? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm VELCOIN, and this has been another video on crypto. Let's hope for the best. See you guys in the next video. Peace.